Well, call me Old Yeller. All right, do I have enough yellow on? Do you think I'm a little old with this silver Santa beard that I'm growing just in time for Christmas? It's the first week of December 2024 as I produce this video. And yeah, Christmas is only, a couple weeks away. So if you celebrate Christmas, awesome. Maybe you're rocking Hanukkah or Kwanzaa, or maybe you're just like Grinch. You're like, heck with Christmas. All right, let's just get it over with. I'm tired of Johnny Mathis and Burl Ives and Santa Claus is coming to town songs everywhere you go. I still like those clay cartoons. Cartoons are great, but I like the clay ones. Okay? And I like Heat Miser and the abdominal, I can never say that, abdominable snowman. You guys know the Heat Miser, okay? Well, anyway, I think you guys probably enjoy the holidays, and you know darn well you're going to probably plump up a little bit. Because what's funner than eating and drinking things that you're probably not supposed to? Turkey, put some gravy on it. Stuffing, put some gravy on it. I don't know. Drink something delicious, like eggnog. Eggnog's about 25,000 calories, but we drink it. And by January 1st, we're like, okay, we're tired. Happy New Year. Let's get in shape. Okay? So if you're watching this video, you're probably in LiveGood, or maybe you're interested in buying the products or becoming an affiliate where you can not only buy the products wholesale, but earn money by doing what I do. Just inviting people to click a link to watch a video. And then go to the LiveGood website, check out the opportunity. How much is it? $9.95 a month. How much is it to be an affiliate? $40. So if you want to join as an affiliate right now, $49.95, that's it, guys. And then pay $9.95 a month. Now, if you have $100, $99.95, you can get 12 months for the price of 10. I don't make any more or less. I just telling you straight up, if you want to get a couple free months, do it. That way, $40 one and done. Okay, that's not reoccurring. That's not recurring. That's not curring. That is $40. You're an affiliate. And you don't have to buy products each month to get commissions. That's why we sign up 2,000 to 3,000 people per day right now, worldwide. Okay, we're in a couple hundred countries. We're doing about $15 million of sales each month already. And guys, our happy birthday is coming up. Let's see, today's the 3rd, so in 10 days, that's when LiveGood turns 2. December 13th of 2022 is when Ben Glinsky, Nodder, Ryan and Lisa, they're the Fab Four. They're in the camera. Turkey. They said, ready, set, go. Let's go ahead and offer some cool products and for wholesale pricing. But let's commission the membership side, not the products. That way, when people buy the products that we sell, and it could be a hat, could be a shirt, could be a shaker bottle that you put protein in. But if we're selling CBD oil, if it costs $15, it's probably going to be $16 to $17. Okay? Ben Glinsky, our CEO, does not jack up the prices. He makes sure that our ingredients with Dr. Ryan and his wife Lisa Nodder, they get the most expensive ingredients that you can put in a package or container. Okay? Mark it up $1 or so, because, it's got to go to the warehouse, be distributed out of Jupiter, Florida. And since we're a worldwide company, yes, we're getting distribution centers in Africa, of course, over in the UK, just massive success in China, Malaysia, Japan, all right, India. Okay, when you're a worldwide company, you got to start distributing the products worldwide. That way you get the products faster and cheaper. Okay, but LiveGood started in Jupiter, Florida with one warehouse, then 2, then 3. And here in America, the shipping is by the United States Post Office. Okay, there's no markup on that. Whatever the post office with tracking charges, that's how much it is in America. And if you live outside of Jupiter, Florida, let's say up in Canada, maybe you're across the ocean or who knows where you live, but if you're watching me, you live somewhere kind of cool, right? DHL International. And like I said, there's no markup on shipping. Whatever DHL International charges, that's what the shipping is. That way you can go online and track it and you safely get your products. Okay, there's customer service. So if you're joining LiveGood, customer service is handled by customer service, not you. Shipping, receiving, processing the credit cards. We even accept cryptocurrency. Okay, you guys work it out. When you join, you guys will figure all this out when you set up, okay? But there's a website There's a capture page where people can go and watch a short little video. If you don't want to do video like I'm doing, let Ben Glinsky, we have so many videos right now that you can just give to people, and they're all neutral to where they talk about the opportunity, the products, or be an affiliate, and then they join you. Okay? They join you. And then every day you can just invite people to watch short little videos. Please do what I recommend because it works. I just signed up 3 people in the last 5 days, guys. And it's all by making things kind of simple and fun. Okay? Because that's what people want right now. It's the holidays. There's always going to be some crazy stuff that happens out there. But I'll tell you what, if you'd like to focus on some real cool things in your life, maybe story tell a little bit about your hobbies or what you like. I kind of like toys and Hot Wheels and Legos and crazy stuff that's made out of plastic. I think they're called dolls. All right, I just got the new Deadpool punk rock doll. Look, he's got cool guitar and he has bad hair like I do and cool tennis shoes. But it's fun to have a little extra money, especially during the holidays. Because if you don't mind buying a couple gifts for maybe your girlfriend or your wife, your husband, maybe your pet giraffe in the backyard, it's always nice to have extra money for a rainy day. You never know when something's going to break down, like your body. At my age, it's slowly breaking down, okay? But it's nice to have some bucks saved up. So if you need to go to the doctor, fix a tooth, maybe buy some glasses or just buy a Cool Kiss t-shirt. But of course, if it's the holiday season and you celebrate those old holidays, it's cool if you can buy something pretty fun, especially for kids. All right, Christmas to me, it's more about kids than adults, but it's okay. If you get a gift and you love it, just go like this. And then, yes, I got something. They always say it's better to give than to get. But you know what? It's kind of cool to get too, isn't it? Just being honest. Okay, how do I promote LiveGood? Well, let me show you a couple things. Okay, and I'll show you the website too if you haven't joined yet. But anyway, like I said, I keep things real simple. Okay, now if I do a video like this, I might just invite you to joincory.com. I bought this through GoDaddy. It was I think they're about $11.99, but with coupon codes, you can always get them for like $8, $9. But GoDaddy's the best, in my opinion, because they're live with human operators 24 hours a day. I bought joincory.com and then I forwarded to the LiveGood capture page. Okay, I've signed up a lot of people, almost 400 people this way. And then if I want to go over here to the left of my screen, corydraper.com, I'll show you how I use just a website called Linktree. And it's where if there's paid traffic or some other source, I just go ahead and direct it to corydraper.com and then people can choose what opportunity that I might be promoting. This video is obviously about LiveGood. So I'm going to show you Join Cory and corydraper.com. Okay. Now I go to Vistaprint to make business cards. Okay. And if I meet someone in person, and I'm kind of social, I'm all over Utah where I live here. So sooner or later I run into people and I don't really talk about LiveGood face to face. I just give them a business card and then they go home and watch the short little videos or like the videos I'm going to show you right now. Okay. So anyway, I like to buy domain names that are fun and custom. Obviously my name's Cory Draper, so I bought corydraper.com and Join Cory. I thought that was kind of fun, but I also bought joincorynow.com, workwithcory.com, joincorydraper.com. I sewed them all up because they were nice and cheap and I'll never get rid of them. So there's my business cards and my domains. This is the LiveGood website. Now, guys, if you're in LiveGood, you already know how cool the products are, but if not, go to the products page. Check all these out. And then hit every white little rectangle button that says Learn More, and you'll see the wholesale and membership, pricing, and the ingredients. We even have hats and shirts that you can see right here. The hoodies just came out because it's winter time. Those are kind of cool. Little beanie cap. All right. But just go to the products because I want you to really dig what we sell. That way you won't be embarrassed. You'll wear a LiveGood hat, maybe a LiveGood shirt, but you want to live good, right? So go to the FAQ page. This is a little tab. Right there, there's a ton of questions. Just click each one and you can get them answered. Okay, and then this is important because I don't have all day to talk about the comp plan on the membership side, but you know what? All you got to do is click the pay plan link. At the very bottom, it's either going to say pay plan or affiliate pay plan. Okay, and it depends on how big your computer screen is. But see, we get 7 ways we get paid. And it's on the membership side at $9.95 a month. So when you buy the products, hey, if you buy products for a month and you don't buy for a couple months, don't worry. If you paid that $40 to be an affiliate, guys, you're still earning money. Just talk about the link like I do. But if you want to know about the pay plan, scroll to the bottom of the pay plan link, say hi to this pretty girl right here, and then watch this YouTube video. It explains how we get paid, the 7 ways, okay? Don't try to explain it. You'll bore people to death, and you'll screw it up, and then you won't even understand how we get paid. Just let the YouTube video, produced by LiveGood, explain everything, okay? So just to recap, go to the pay plan link, scroll up here, and if you're on your cell phone, it's similar. Go to the FAQ, and then, of course, go to the products tab, and just really look into what we're doing, all right? There's some cool things going on as we're cruising into 2025. Distribution centers. We have 5 new products debuting in a couple days. Okay. We have skincare, healthy things that we put in our bodies. We have CBD oil that maybe make us feel good inside. A couple drops underneath your tongue. But we also have CBD cream. And you guys can look up all our products. Okay. Just envision walking in a big building that's called LiveGood. And if you have a membership for $9.95 a month, or you have a year membership, you just walk in and shop wholesale, and you walk right out and you're just happy as a pig in poop. Okay. I recommend Super Reds, Super Greens, amino acid fruit punch. I'm 220 pounds and I just want to be big and sexy my whole life. So I recommend protein powder too. At least 1 to 200 grams a day if you can. That's hard to do, but guys, remember protein, it's going to keep your strength. You don't want to get brittle and whittle down to nothing. Okay, so look into protein. All right, I like chocolate and vanilla. I dig it. Maybe we'll make meatloaf flavored. I don't know what we're going to do. But we have a lot of new products debuting in 2025. We have a new marketing system, a co-op where you can pay a couple bucks and get some nice leads to your LiveGood capture page. And this is all approved by the company. And we're waiting. It'll probably debut, I don't know, by 2025. We've known about this for 6 months, but every Friday, Ben of LiveGood, he's our CEO, he always talks about what we got coming up. And he mentions the co-op and the marketing system. And we already have some emails and some capture pages and links. And guys, if you don't mind going to joincory.com, okay, watch that 6-minute video. And it's so simple. Just invite people to your own domain name, corydraper.com. Awesome. Joincory.com. Guys, I'm done. Because you guys just want to sit behind your steering wheel in your car and just maybe watch what this is all about. Maybe lay in bed at night after a long day and just watch it on your cell phone, or maybe at a desk right now. I like a home computer because I can put big screens in front of me so I don't have to squint like this. All right, I can see you, Sonny. But I think you guys prefer video. It's all about video. And please remember, you don't have to do videos like I'm doing now. I talk into a webcam quite comfortably. Even if you have your own cell phone, you can do selfie videos or maybe little Snapchatties. But there's so many ways to market LiveGood. And if you join me, I'm going to send you to my webpage that I built, and I'm going to give you a nice email and show you everything I do. But I just signed up 3 people in the last 5 days. Okay? And that's so awesome. I appreciate every single person that signed up. And they're all over the world, by the way. I just don't specialize in a couple states next to Utah. I sign up everybody on this planet. Okay? That's what's nice about a worldwide business. And the way that I promote LiveGood, I get signups and earn money while I'm sleeping, while I'm showering, while I'm dancing. Do you guys want me to dance? Do you want me to break dance? Watch this. I learned this in 1980-something. Remember that show, Breakin'? And then Breakin' 2 Electric Boogaloo? That's right. I'll break dance. I'll do anything. I mean, what do you want me to do? Cluck like a chicken or maybe run like a turkey, because we just had Thanksgiving. So every turkey's hiding right now if they didn't get gobbled up. But anyway, thanks for your time. I have a good time promoting LiveGood. It's a cool business, okay? You keep in touch. You can email me at cory@corydraper.com. You can always get a hold of me on Facebook. Just inbox me, okay? Or if you're watching me on YouTube, just right below the video, and I see everyone's comments. I'll write you back. I'm not shy. I'll help you out. Okay, I'm done. Okay, go to corydraper.com or joincory.com, and let's get you aboard, okay? All right, have a good day. We'll talk to you later.